Welcome back to our channel, Dirty Forks MTV, and today we got something new and we're gonna build it and review it kinda as we're building it. So stay tuned. So we got this delivered yesterday from, you guessed it, Amazon.
Heavy. It says heavy.
So we have made an investment in the Parktool PCS 10.2 bike stand for home mechanics. And the reason why we chose this stand over the other cheaper ones is because we want it to last, and we don't just work on, you know, one or two bikes every now and then. We pretty much have a bike in the stand every day. So this is an investment, and very grateful for this, and it's going to help our channel and it's going to help our work and do what we do best, which is get our donated bikes and then to be able to donate them to people that can use them.
Okay, let's get this. Oh my god.
So yeah, this is the
This is like opening
unboxing.
That's pure dreams right here. It's pure dreams.
Okay, so this is what's come in the box, all laid out. Bits and pieces, and then the tool tray, and then the actual stand pieces. It all feels really good, like solid, smooth, like powder coated, and it already feels sturdy, so that's a good sign. So the hard stop piece is going to go right down here.
Let's put it down. Washer nut. Let's get this nut on. So that's the stand there built.
And it's pretty hefty. Pretty nice looking addition to the shop. So yeah, right away, like I was saying before, you can tell the quality of this stand. Parktool is known for their quality. They make the best bike tools in the industry. Stay tuned. Check out when we actually use this thing. So here's a bike that we're working on. It's in the stand. No problems at all. One thing I just want to make a quick mention of that's pretty cool with this stand, it is teardrop shaped. So the shaft will not move. It won't rotate when you're working on the bike, torquing or whatever's going on. That shaft won't rotate. So that's kind of a cool little feature. This is one of our free bikes that we just finished last week.
Woo!
Cool little super cycle. It's gonna be great for someone.